In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Shopify store password page. If your storefront currently shows a password screen, this walkthrough will help you open it up so anyone can browse and buy without needing a code. I'll keep things clear and simple, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, log in to your Shopify admin, head to your dashboard and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll be on the main home screen where you can manage products, orders, and settings. Next, look to the left-hand menu and find sales channels. Under that, click Online Store. This is where you manage your theme, navigation, and visibility settings. If your store is locked behind a password, you'll typically see a banner or notice indicating that it's currently password protected. To access the password controls, click the option that says Remove Password if you see it. If that button isn't visible, open the Preferences section within Online Store. This area contains your store's title and meta settings, and it's also where the password protection toggle lives. Now it's time to disable the password page. In Preferences, locate the setting labeled Enable Password. Uncheck that box. This action turns off the storefront lock, making your site visible to the public. Before you do this, make sure you're comfortable with your store being live. Double check that your theme looks the way you expect, your products and prices are accurate, and any pages you want customers to see are ready. After unchecking the box, click Save to apply the change. This is important. The setting won't take effect until you save. Once saved, your storefront should no longer show the password screen. If you still see it on your end, try refreshing, opening a new private or incognito window, or clearing your browser cache to view the most up-to-date version. A quick but important note, you must be on a paid Shopify plan, not a trial, to remove the password page. If you're still on a trial, go to Settings, then Plan, and upgrade your plan. You can continue building behind the password while on a trial, but unlocking the storefront for the public requires an active plan. That's it. Your Shopify store is now live and accessible to everyone without a password. Share your link confidently, and remember it can take a little time for search engines to pick up your updated public site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and step-by-step guides.